On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can make money promoting affiliate products wherever you are in the world. This method does not require any skills, it does not require any experience, it does not require any investment, and the best part is that I'm going to show you the easiest method that you can use to promote the affiliate products so that you can be making money for free at the comfort of your home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to find an affiliate program to promote. There are many affiliate programs that you can promote to earn a commission anytime you get people to purchase the program that you are promoting. Right now on internet, AI tools are trending. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to find an AI tool which we can promote and then get people to sign up so that we can be earning a commission. The good thing about promoting AI tools is that you are going to be earning a recurring commission. That means you are going to be earning a commission monthly per every subscriber that you get. So if you get one person to sign up for the program, you are going to keep on earning a commission until the subscriber stops the program. So assuming you get someone to click on your affiliate link and then sign up for the program, as long as they keep on using the program, you are going to keep on earning a commission. One of the best AI tools that you can promote is Writesonic.com. Writesonic is an AI tool that helps people to generate blog posts. You can see AI article writer, they have SEO tools and many others. It helps people to write blog posts within some few minutes. So a lot of bloggers need a tool like this, and it is affordable. You can see they have the free version and they have the premium versions. You can see the first premium version, your potential customers are required to pay $12 monthly. You can see the second one is $16 monthly. You can see the next one is $79 monthly. Any of these plans that your potential visitors choose, you are going to be earning a commission every month. You can see bill monthly. So when you get an individual to sign up, as long as they keep on paying for the plan, you are going to keep on earning a recurring commission on this website. If you want to join this website as an affiliate, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down to the bottom of the website. Once you scroll down, you can see right here, affiliate program. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can be able to sign up as an affiliate. Once you sign up as an affiliate, you are going to get a unique referral link that you can promote and then get people to join Writesonic, and you are going to be earning a recurring commission. You can see limitless earning. So if you get a person to join, as long as they keep on renewing the plan, you are going to keep on earning recurring commission. So if they sign up for a plan, let's say 2 years, you are going to keep on earning recurring commission for 2 years or 3 years. It depends on the lifespan of your customer on the plan. So if your customer keep on using the tool, you are going to keep on earning a commission. You can see a whole lot of different details. One good thing is that they have a lot of different payment methods that you can use to receive your money anytime you earn a commission on this website. For example, you can see how will I get paid. If I click on it, you can see right here they pay via PayPal and they have bank transfer. Any of the methods that you want to use to receive your money, you can enter it and then get paid anytime you earn a commission on this website. Apart from Writesonic, there are many other AI tools that you can promote to make money from home. Another AI tool that you can promote is Anyword.com. Anyword.com is a tool that helps people to generate blog posts within some few minutes. It is one of the best that you can use to write an article and publish it on your blog post. This tool is capable of generating high quality blog post. So if you promote it, you are going to get people who will sign up so that they can be generating blog posts to publish on their website. So now what you have to do is that you have to join as an affiliate so that you can promote it to get people to sign up for a plan, and you are going to be paid a commission monthly. Let me show you the pricing. When you click on pricing, you can see these are the pricing. They have $39 per month. They have $79 per month. $349 per month. Any of these plans that your potential customer join, you are going to be earning a recurring commission monthly. You can see it right here. Now let's check the affiliate page so that you can see the amount that you are going to be earning per every customer that you bring on this website. So let's scroll down to the button. Once you scroll down, you can see affiliates. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can be able to read about what you are going to get as an affiliate. Once you read about it, you can then join the website as an affiliate. Once you click on affiliate, you're going to see a page like this. Let me scroll down to show you. You can see how it works. You have to register for an account. So once you register, you are going to get your affiliate link. Once you promote your affiliate link and get people to sign up, you are going to be paid. Let's check the commission. You can see they have a flat fee, that is the CPA. So if you get a person to join, you can earn up to $399. You can see right here they have recurring commission. So you are going to be earning 40% of the price. You can see the first plan is $39. So anytime you get people to sign up for the first plan, you are going to be earning 40% of $39, and it is recurring. You can see it right here. Every month your referrals subscription renew. So anytime your referral renew their plan, you are going to be earning. So they are going to be paying $39 per month. So assuming this month they pay $39, you are going to be earning 40% of $39. Next month, if they renew again, you are going to be earning the same 40% of the $39. So as long as they keep on renewing their subscriptions, you are going to keep on earning money on this website. How much money can I expect to make? Let me click on it and then show you. As you can see right here, you can earn $11.06 per month if you have only one customer. If you have two, you are going to be earning more than $22. The starter plan, if you are able to get 100 customers, you are going to be earning $1,160 per month. You can see the data-driven plan. One customer, you are going to be earning $39.06 per month. You can see it right here. So if you are able to get 100 people to join the data-driven plan, you can earn up to $3,960 per month. The amount of money that you are going to earn depends on the number of subscribers that you bring. So if you are able to bring 100, you'll be earning a lot of money. If you are able to bring 200, you are going to be earning a lot of money. When you scroll down, you can see the CPA, the starter plan. One customer, you're going to be earning $29. That is the monthly plan. If they subscribe for an annual plan, you're going to be earning $89 per every customer that you get. The data-driven plan, one customer, you're going to be earning $99. If they sign up for an annual subscription, you're going to be earning $297 per every subscriber that you bring. So that is the commission structure on this platform. Now what you have to do is that you have to join so that you can be able to promote the program and then get people to sign up through your affiliate link so that you can be making money. To join this website, you have to click right here, start earning. Once you click on it, you have to fill this form so that you can be able to join the program. So you have to enter your email address, first name, last name, website. It is not compulsory field, so if you don't have a website, you can leave it. Once that is done, you have to select your country, enter your password, then you sign the agreement. So check the boxes so that you can agree to their terms and conditions. Once you sign up for an account, you can get your affiliate link, which you can promote and then get people to join this plan so that you can be making money. Now the next step is that you have to get a traffic source whereby you can get people to click on your referral link and then join the program so that you can be earning a recurring commission every month. There are many tools that you can use. So just search for any kind of AI tools that you want and then promote them. So if you want writing tools, you can do that. If you want bookkeeping AI tools, you can promote them. Any kind of AI tools, you can promote them and then get people to sign up. Most of them have affiliate programs. So just search for AI tools. Once you search for them, you can be able to join. Now once you join and then get your affiliate link, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to click on your affiliate link, join the program for you to make money. There are many methods that you can use to drive traffic to your affiliate link. You can use paid method, you can use free methods, any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to show you one of the best free methods that you can use to drive people to click on your affiliate link and then join the program for you to earn money. What we are going to do to promote the program is that we are going to write an article about how to make money blogging using AI writers. Once we create such content, we can then insert our affiliate links and then get people to sign up for the program so that we can be making money. So you have to type a prompt right here so that ChatGPT can generate an article for you. Once it generates the article, you can promote the article alongside your affiliate link. So let's type a prompt right here. You can write a prompt like this. Write a detailed article about how to make money blogging using AI writers. just type a prompt like this. Once you type it, click on send so that ChatGPT will generate a very nice article for you. You can see it is generating the content for you. When I scroll down, you can see this is an article that ChatGPT is generating for you. You can see everything. As you can see, this is an article that it has generated for you. You can see this is the article. You can see everything in the article. Now what you have to do is that you have to publish this article so that we can get people to read it. Once they read it, they can click on our affiliate link, which we are going to insert into this article. Once they see our affiliate link, they can click on it and then sign up for the AI tool so that we can be making money from home. One of the best websites where we can publish an article is medium.com. Medium is a platform where writers publish articles for free. So if you are a writer, you can come on this platform, write an article about anything that you want, and then publish it onto this platform so that you can get many people to read your article. Medium gets a lot of traffic, so if you publish your article onto this platform, you are going to get organic traffic to your article. Even if you don't promote your article, you can still get people to read it on this platform. But if you want, you can promote your article on your social media platform so that you can increase the number of readers that you get. So what you have to do is that you have to sign up for an account so that you can be able to publish your article onto this platform for free. So let me sign up for an account. Let me sign in. Once you sign in, you are going to see a page like this. You can see these are all articles that people have published onto the platform. You can see a whole lot of different articles. As I scroll, you can see many articles that people have posted onto this platform for free. You can see this one, the number of likes. So on this platform, they call it claps. You can see the number of claps, over 10,000. This one is over 13,000. There are many others. You can see this one is 83. When you scroll upwards, you can see many other articles that are getting a lot of claps. You can see this one, for example, it got 83,000 claps. That means about 83,000 people like this particular article. So if you also publish a nice article onto this platform, you are going to get a lot of organic traffic to your article so that many people can read it. If your article is good, you can even get a lot of people to read it and then take the action that you want them to take. So now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, write, so that you can be able to publish your article onto this platform. Once you click on write, you have to paste the title of your article right here. So come back on ChatGPT. Once you come back, highlight and copy the title of your article. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to come back on ChatGPT, highlight and copy the body of your article. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight it, copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, come back. Once you come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Now, once that is done, the next step is that you have to insert a call to action and then add your affiliate link so that you can get many people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. You can see in your article there are already AI tools which you can insert your affiliate link and then get people to sign up for them so that you can be paid a recurring commission per subscriber that you get. For example, what you have to do is that you have to go and search for copy.ai. Once you search for it, join the affiliate program. Once you join, highlight it and then click right here, insert, so that you can insert your affiliate link. So assuming you get your affiliate link for Writesonic, all that you do is that you have to highlight it, click on insert link. Once you click on it, paste your affiliate link here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, copy AI, click on it, click on insert link, paste your affiliate link here, press enter. So once you join these programs and then insert your affiliate links, the next step is that you have to type a call to action so that you can also insert your affiliate link. For example, we can type a call to action right here and then insert our affiliate link. You can type a call to action like this. Click here to join an affordable AI writing tool. So type a call to action like this. Once you type it, click right here and then insert your affiliate link. So press enter. As you can see, your affiliate link has been inserted. The next step is that you have to highlight and then copy your call to action. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you can insert it in any part of the article that you want. For example, you can insert it right here. You can create a space right here and then insert your affiliate link. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to scroll down and then keep on adding your affiliate link in any place that is necessary. So let's paste it at the bottom of the article. Let's paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Now once you have inserted your affiliate link in the article, the next step is that you have to publish it onto this platform so that you can get many people to read it, and then sign up for the AI tool that you are promoting so that you can be making money. Once you insert your affiliate link, the next step is that you have to add an image in your blog post so that it can look nice. So all that you need to do is that you have to scroll upwards. So you can scroll upwards. Once you scroll upwards, you can insert your image right here. Click on this plus sign. Once you click on it, you can upload an image from your computer. You can upload an image from Unsplash. You can add a video. You can embed a video and many others. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to search for an image on Unsplash and then use it in our article. So click right here, add an image from Unsplash. Once you click on it, search for blogging. Just search for blogging. Once you search for it, you can see all these images. Select the one that you want so that you can use it. In this case, I want this image, so select it. Once you click on it, you can see the image has been added in your article. You can see it right here. When you scroll down, you can see your article. You can see everything. Now, what you have to do is that you have to publish it. So click right here, publish. Once you click on it, you have to add a tag. So let's add something like AI tools to use. You can see AI writers, AI writing tools. You can see writing tools. Let's select writing. You can add writing tools. Writing tools. You can see it right here. Click on it, and many others. You can add make money blogging. You can see make money blogging. Just add the tags that are related to your article. Once that is done, click right here, publish now. If you want to schedule it, you can click right here, schedule for later, so that your article will be published later. But if you want to publish it right away, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, publish now. Once you click on it, you can see publishing story. Just wait for it, it will be published. You can see it right here. Your article has been published. You can see it right here. Your article has been published onto the platform. As a scroll, you can see this is your article. You can see right here just now your article has been published. If you want to share it on your social media networks, you can click on any of these and then share it. So your article has been published. You can see everything in the article. You can see your affiliate link. This is your call to action, and when people click on it, they are going to join the program through your affiliate link. Once they join, you are going to be earning a recurring commission per every subscriber that you have. You can see this is your article. Now what you have to do is that you have to go and look for AI tools. You don't have to limit yourself to only writing tools. You can search for any kind of tool that you want and then join the affiliate program so that you can promote it on medium.com. Once you promote it, you don't need to invest anything. You are going to be getting organic traffic to your affiliate link so that people can sign up, and you are going to be earning a recurring commission. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.